What's up, YouTube? It's Gilby7060, and I'm about to cold start my dirt bike. This is a new series, so I'm going to show you my dirt bike and what it looks like and everything. Can't ride it right now because, about to have Hurricane Katrina 5 out here, so. But yeah, I'll show you my dirt bike and then, or whatever, and I'll turn it on, and yeah. But later on through the week, probably like next week, or in a few days actually, I'm going to start making videos of me riding it, so that'll be cool. Through the trails that I have, because I live in a shitty ass neighborhood that doesn't let you do anything, so I'll get back to the trails and I'll show you how I get there. You probably don't care about that, but I'll still do it anyway. Alright, here it is. The 200cc Ricardo. It's not an on-brand bike, but it's not a cheaply made China bike either. It's just like I don't even think they make them anymore, but it sounds nice, and you can get the parts pretty decently. It's made out of good material, like everything's good on it. Like, it's made really well. It's not a cheap China made bike. It has cool decals and stuff. But yeah, it's out for a decent price. I mean, I've actually heard people riding Ricardos. My friend actually races professionally, and I think he's got sponsored, I don't know, FMF and Monster Energy Drink, I don't know. He does all that stuff. He's more into it than I am. I'm just like a casual rider, I guess. But alright, we got the gas on, and then this bike you actually have to have a key. Oh shit, you have to have a key. I also have a Honda 250 2007. I don't know what the fuck. Yeah, it's a Honda, so, but I ride that more for, like, if I'm doing something, I don't know. It's actually my dad's, but he lets me ride it too, and he said I could have it next year, so. But I'm about to start it up. Yes. Let me get a good picture of it. Hold on. It is about to thunderstorm out here. Oh my god. Alright. Alright, that's my video, and hope you join me next week so we can ride on the trails together. Alright, bye.